All right, ladies and gents, we're gonna attempt to ride Deceit straight through. Just learned the trail, kind of, sort of. Already lost? Okay, there's Deceit. There will be a lot of honking. A lot of honking. I kind of know the trail, but kind of don't. This is where it starts getting chunky. Chunky and loose. Okay, save that, save that. And the thing goes chicken wing. Good God. Okay, damn it. Well, so much for straight through. Oh. Ah, that saddens me. That's all right. Wasn't confident on my line. Got a little weird on a weird rock. Let's, I'm tempted to ride back up and try again. It's a long push though. Let's see. This line up here to the left is kind of nice. You know what? I'm stubborn. I'm gonna start over. I'm gonna push up out to the fire road and try it again. All right, this is gonna be Deceit straight through attempts number 2. Messed up a little, got off balance. It's very loose up there. Gonna try to go out a little cooler. Keep in mind the areas I messed up on. I'm covered in sweat because I hiked back up the trail. That's all right. Oh, yeah. Full honk. Trail's not any less loose. Oh, this video is going to be terrible with all this noise. Jeez. All right. Yeah. Don't punch the tree. Yes. Right. Damn. See what I did? I hit this rock, but you know what? I'm not gonna push our luck. We're gonna just hike down to a spot where I can start again. This is actually the area I messed up on last time too. But we'll not push our luck today. There's plenty of time to get it. Ideal starting spot? Probably not, but not the worst. Foot on. Let's line up here. Figured this out earlier today. Doesn't feel like an old Diablo line. Brake control. Alright. There. Some fuel. And you know what? I'll take it as a win. So we'll call that deceit with 1 foot down, 1 stop. Okay, considering it's the end of the day, I'm exhausted, covered in sweat, I'm not mad at that. Now let's take something nice and easy down. Whew.